Hi, I'm Bryan Hannaford, Assistant Professor of Music and Director of Bands at North Idaho College, and welcome to MUSI 100 Introduction to Music, the summer edition. Alright guys, I just want to give you a background on myself. I've been teaching for now 10 years, believe it or not. I started my career off as an elementary music teacher, later became a middle school, high school band director, and then later started teaching college. My first instrument was guitar, but later picked up saxophone at the end of high school and then went on to study saxophone in school. I'm a graduate of Fresno State for a bachelor's in music, and then I made a big journey out to Cleveland, Ohio, where I went to Case Western Reserve University studying music education, and then later got another master's at Cleveland State University where I studied saxophone performance. So that's just a small little brief background on me. And in your first assignment discussion, we're going to be getting information about you, what your musical background is. Because listen, all of us aren't professional musicians, but we've all been listening to music our whole lives. So it's going to be a really fun course diving deeper into this thing that we all love. So for now, let's dive into the syllabus. Of course, you know this because you signed up for this fully online MUSI 100. This is Introduction to Music. Every Monday, you'll get a weekly module, including a weekly checklist that will tell you about assignments, readings, and discussions for the week. This class will be based on these readings, listenings, written papers, and even this online lecture. In a typical semester or summer session, students would attend a classical music concert for partial fulfillment of this course. But in the summer of 2020, most likely you'll be watching an online streamed digital concert. But more on that later. So the materials you'll need for this course are the Enjoyment of Music Essential Edition. There's a total access code. You'll need to go to the bookstore or go to Norton and find this online book. This ebook allows you access to listening examples which are required for this course. But many times I'm going to post YouTube clips just so that you can easily find them. But most of the time in your reading assignments, you may be required to read and answer questions about that. When it comes to homework's going to be 30% of your grade, and typically they are 10-point assignments, including discussions, reading questions, listening assignments, and you'll also have to do a composer presentation. Don't worry, you're going to upload this composer presentation to a discussion right here on Canvas. You'll end up doing a quick 5-minute presentation on a classical music composer of any era. If you take a look at the schedule on the NIC syllabus, you'll see that every week is planned out. What we're going to be discussing, when you'll have a test review, where the test will be. And in this summer course, you'll have 3 tests, 1 concert/listening report, and a composer presentation. Remember, we're only dealing with 8 weeks, June 1st to July 24th. So good luck, keep up with everything, and I look forward to working with you and speaking with you about music.